How to send stars on Monopoly Go. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to send stars on Monopoly Go. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Monopoly Go application on your device. Now, in order to send stars on Monopoly Go, you will see various options on the bottom, such as Wins, Build, Album, Friends. Tap on the Album option and now you will be able to see various stars. Tap on any of the stars and you will then see the option for Send to Friends button. Tap on that and further, select the friend whom you want to send stars to. So, this is how you can send stars on Monopoly Go. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.